Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Capital One credit card step by step so you can find the right card and submit your application online. To get started, open a web browser and go to the Capital One website. From there, navigate to the credit card section to view all available Capital One credit card options. Take some time to compare the cards based on rewards, interest rates, annual fees, and benefits. Capital One offers cards for different needs, including cash back, travel rewards, student cards, and cards for building or rebuilding credit. Once you've chosen the card you want, click Apply Now. You'll be asked to fill out an application with your personal information, such as your name, address, income, and social security number. After completing the application, review all the details carefully and submit it. In many cases, Capital One provides an instant decision. If approved, you'll see your credit limit right away, and your physical card will be mailed to you. If additional review is needed, Capital One may contact you for more information before making a final decision. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you apply for a Capital One credit card, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.